Hi guys, just had a request on the old video I did of this Doctor Who sonic screwdriver. Somebody wants to know how to get the batteries out. Now this one is, I don't know if I can even read it. I think it's 2004 Universal, 2004 character Options Ltd. Anyway, that's the battery box, and on the face of it, it should be easy, but I think I can understand the problem, because I just had the same problem myself. They're LR44 batteries, or also known as AG13s, and they're in very tight little sockets in there, and the ones that were in there that I've just taken out had actually gone a little bit puffy, where they've got a bit old, and that might be the problem. When they're a bit puffy, they don't come out easily. When they're fresh, you've actually probably got the opposite problem, that they don't stay in there well enough. Those two are staying in there. There is a slot down the side here that you can probably get something like a paper clip in. On this edge there's a little slot there, and that gets them out. If they've actually gone a bit, if they've leaked or gone crystalline or something, then it might be even harder to get them out. But certainly that did it for me. I wonder if I can find those puffy ones. No, that one's alright. Oh, there's a stiff one. Let's see if I can get that one out with the paper clip. Yep, that's doing it. So, I hope that helps. Because now I've just mixed up the new ones and the old ones, haven't I? I could put a meter on them and check. Let's just put a random 3 in there. Oh, that's a stiff one. That must be one of the old ones. Yeah, not a lot happening there. I think that was one of the dead ones. Although this one is showing its age. It doesn't always work. It goes a bit, yeah, that one's playing up, getting it out. It's coming. Yeah, that was a good example. That one's gone a bit puffy and it's a tight fit in there. But I have messed up which ones are good ones and which ones are bad ones. Oh dear. Right, I'm going to stop filming for a minute, see if I can find... Oh. Now it's working. It must have just been loose. Yeah, I think there's a loose connection in there somewhere. Seems to be a bit intermittent. Yeah. Well, that wasn't the question. The question was how to get the batteries out. My suggestion is get a paper clip, straighten it out, and if you look at it there is definitely a slot on one side to help you get them out. Okay, job done. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.